Welcome guys to tutorial info channel. In front of me is IIIF150 Air 2 Ultra, and in this video I am going to show you how to link Google Assistant to the power button on this device. Alright, so to do this, firstly we have to open our settings, then we have to scroll down and find system option, then we have to click on the gestures, and right here we have to click on a press and hold power button. And here we can choose if we want to access power menu or digital assistant, and we want digital assistant, so we have to click on it. And now look, when I hold my power button, we have to first turn it off. So let's try again. When I press and hold my power button, here is Google Assistant. And basically that's it. If you did enjoy this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!